Chenro motis ni imarisha msichana maitayogi county Siaya giriruok mar Federation of African Women Educationalists motis ni FAWE Kenya osebedo ka chwalo jip na nyithindo manyiri manyalo rano kokalo kuom sir ma ichiwo gi Mastercard Foundation kaka yor duoko chien hema ohiu kokalo kuom riwruoge ma ichiwo e skunde motis ni tuseme clubs. Rajata chenro mag FAWE Evelina Munga wacho ni kokalo kuom riwruoge matindogo gisetiego nyithindo manyiri ewi yore mag dago ngima makare keto sirinyo e sombgi bedo kod ritruok makare kaachiel gi ng'eyo ratiro maggi. Ma wacho ni osemiyo nyithindo manyiri chir mar kedo gi iye ma oiw, keny momondo kod timbe moko ma ithoro tim ne nyithindo manyiri ma ok owinjore. Chenro ma kama osemedo kwan jopuonjre manyalo chung' kendgi kendo ng'ado rieko e kindgi giwegi.
Today, just sharing knowledge, and we also want to have a retraining on the new model, the Tuseme model. We have some slight changes because the previous Tuseme model did not capture the emerging trends. But today here we are here also to have a refresher training on the Tuseme model. One thing that we want to emphasize is that we want girls to be given a second chance. Those who had a challenge, maybe they got out of school due to teenage pregnancy, we are really emphasizing for re-entry. And those who have been re-entered to be retained in school and they be given a reasonable accommodation. The school to be gender sensitive, to give them that good environment so that they can transit to the next level.
It also helps us track and bring back the girls who had given birth and stopped coming to school. They give us a tool there that we use to track them. We go talk to their parents, we also talk to them, and then we bring them back to school.
These girls could not be able to express themselves when they had issues concerning maybe their families or personal issues. They weren't able to express them. But after the club was introduced in various schools, the girls now are able to speak out for themselves.